I'm the politician.
Yes.
I'm a politician, I choose, right? Commissioner is not a political office, and I find it very disturbing that the politicians would have drawn the commissioner into what essentially was from a political platform. If he has concerns, the commissioner is always ability to be a politician, and I'm sure they could have a discussion. To have done that, I think, was politically unethical, and I would say that quite openly. That's not the kind of politics you do, especially when your police officer is under pressure. In addition to that, the Commissioner of Police have done major work in bringing the police to where we'd like to have it. It's not there yet. I think we came to the job almost simultaneously, and we admit that the problems in the force were much deeper than me, man. Although I had good knowledge, he was coming from a security background. I was in the government parliament. I have a tough constituency, so I know what we face on the street. But you know, we tend to have broad comments, which is why I started to do some writing, and I'll be doing some more as to what's happening in the police force where we're going. This country neglected the police force for 50 years. Neglect. The police stations were run down. They had no transportation. They had no communication. The way we pay them was an insult to the profession. Right? You kept, you know, they're underpaid, and then you give them a little allowance to make up. It's like you underpaying somebody, and when the weekend comes, you give them the other thing after they couldn't buy it. It is grossly unfair, and it was poor reflection of government's attitude. All governments have treated the police with disrespect before. We are changing that. We're not negotiating public, but I'm saying without any, you know, any qualification. This government views the police as a very highly professional group. The Commissioner has discussed extensively. He has made internal reorganization efforts. He has changed the system of promotion. There are a number of things to really take the police where it should be, but it requires significant investment. That investment was stalled during the COVID year. We're going to continue. There is the issue of the salaries raised. I said we are taking steps to significant policy change over the approach remuneration. We might not, you know, get into bigger debate here. The police deserve okay, and they're getting okay. And we'll settle without too much conflict, because we're not takes too far. We're not quarreling with the police about what they deserve. It just has to be done in a manner that is appropriate and will be sustainable and will protect their status as professionals going forward. Right? And so we're not in this little tit for tat with this ad hoc operation, this things like that. Right? We treat them as they are professionals who are doing an extremely difficult job, working hard and still working hard. And they know, you know, when this is settled, I think they're in a much better position to get behind it. This commission has played a major role, not only in terms of advocacy to the government, but in working with the police, working with the officers there, get a keen understanding of the challenges, and made some organizational changes.